In my college path here in Orlando, I began at UCF 2000. Failed 2 semesters, didn't know what I was going to do. Valencia came up with their electrical engineering program. I was having some challenging moments in the classes, asking a lot of questions, material wasn't coming across clearly, and I was very despondent by that. So I went and talked to Dr. Charles Davis, who actually helped me go through the program as a mentor, explained to him what had happened. I actually cried because it was actually frustrating because I really was trying in the class. And while talking to him, he found out that I actually had background in computers. So he said, why don't you look into the computer engineering program?
Seeing my mom, try her best to keep food on the table and have a roof over her head just made me think, this is not what I want for my future. We were, homeless, living with family and friends on their couches and stuff. At one point, we were living in our car, staying at hotels. So it was pretty rough in the beginning. So the first time I got into the welding bay, I'm not gonna lie, I was pretty nervous. It was intimidating. You come into this shop, at first it was pretty dark. I was like, my goodness, what am I gonna do? Am I gonna mess up? And then as soon as I strike the arc and I saw just the bead and stuff, I was like, wow, this is amazing. The glow, it was this is so empowering. I wanna do this.
I graduated from the class of 2021 of Valencia College, and now I'm at UCF. When I had any type of questions of, hey, how do I apply? Which degree sounds best for me? What kind of prerequisites that I needed for my UCF experience to start, and what do I have to do? And Valencia just guided me through that. And anytime I had any questions, Valencia was always there for me to have someone be like, hey, these are the classes that you should take while you're here. That way that can ease your transition towards UCF. My career goal is to be a teacher. Right now, my degree is in secondary education on mathematics with a minor in theater.
I got my master's from USF in cybersecurity, cyber intelligence concentration. And now I'm currently at UCF in a PhD program, computer engineering, concentration is computer security and network security.
I think of Valencia like a little nest. And while you're here, we're gonna nurture you with education, give you all the tools that you need and deserve. And once you're ready, you're gonna go ahead and fly off and be able to go to one of those big colleges. And I think that's so important for anyone that's thinking about going to a 4-year college. That way, when the real world comes, you're completely ready for that.
Custom Metal Designs in Oakland, Florida, they make conveyor belts. I was so nervous to take the welding test, extremely nervous. I was like, there's no way. They're like, all right, go ahead, lay down a bead. I did it, and they were amazed. They were like, how long have you been welding for? When can you start? They hired me on the spot, and that made me feel so wow, I just did that.
So I've always tinkered with things, wanted to be an engineer, I can do this.